Hi everyone, I went to Home Depot and got these peonies, and I want to plant them in these containers. I want to see the sizes first. Let's check. But I want to plant them there before, to get them started before I put them out, because outside we have snow. And this one, let me show you. You see, and it has even another one. So when you plant peonies, you have to plant them at least, when this is no sprout, when it's only red, you have to plant it at least 1 to 1.5 inches deep in the soil, because they don't like to be planted deeper than that. If they are planted deeper than that, they're not gonna flower for you. But since this is sprouted already, I'm probably just gonna cover a little bit of this over here up to where it's like deep red, and leave the rest out. Peonies like to be planted in a rich soil that has well drainage. I'm gonna open a few holes in here to have the drain and put a tray underneath it. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plant it I'm trying to get a 3 in here. I hope you can see. This is 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna poke some drain.